Stem cells are fascinating because they have two unique abilities: self-renewal, which means they can divide and create more stem cells, and differentiation, allowing them to develop into various specialized cells like muscle, nerve, or blood cells. They play a crucial role in our bodies by acting as a repair system, helping replace damaged cells, maintain tissue function, and support overall growth and healing. There are three main types of stem cells: embryonic stem cells, which come from early embryos and can become almost any cell type; adult stem cells, found in tissues like bone marrow and skin, which usually form a limited number of cell types; and induced pluripotent stem cells, which are adult cells reprogrammed to behave like embryonic cells, making them valuable for research and future therapies. In medicine, stem cells have established uses, such as in bone marrow transplants for conditions like leukemia and lymphoma, while emerging applications include treating heart disease, spinal cord injuries, Parkinson's disease, diabetes, and osteoarthritis.